Hey, my name's Jason, and welcome to my channel, Hammer's Garage. So, just started this channel. Thought I would share some of the knowledge I've gained throughout the years, and that a lot of that I've learned on YouTube. And I pretty much, that's one of my main means of entertainment. You know, I don't really watch TV, as most of you I'm sure don't either, but get a lot of stuff on YouTube, and I thought it'd be cool to put some of my projects out here. My name's Jason, and this is my 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser project. I've had this truck for probably about 20 years, but it's been in the garage for the majority of that, outside of the past year and a half probably. And so that's the project I'm working on right now. On this channel, I probably plan on doing other automotive projects. I'm going to finish the build on this FJ40, which I've got so many custom parts on this. Just to name a few, it's basically the only thing that's stock on it that's remaining is the frame, which has been highly modified, and the body. It's got Dana 60s front and rear, high pinion rear axle. Right now it's got 38-inch tires on it. Full roll cage. It's got a GM crate motor, a 383 stroker from GM, 440 foot-pounds of torque. Kind of a truck motor. I'll kind of go through that at some point. Transmission's a new Venture 4500, and then I have an Atlas 2-speed transfer case with the 3.8 low gear and twin stick. Everything on this thing is pretty much custom, new steering, all new suspension. I've got a 3-link up front, and you can't really see it very well, but I've got 16-inch King coilovers up front. I think I'm gonna keep leaf springs in the rear. We'll see how that goes, but I've got a lot of other stuff planned for it. It's gonna be full custom. Probably gonna take another year or so to finish this thing, but just because I want to make sure I get it all put together the way I want it. And as you're aware, with custom work, you almost have to build it in place to get everything right before you take it apart and paint it and that kind of stuff. So I do plan on using this thing. The ultimate goal for this, other than just to have a toy that I could go rock crawling or whatever the case is to do some overlanding. Eventually I'd like to build an off-road trailer to go along with this, and travel the country a little bit and do some, you know, long-term camping over the spring and the summertime. Also on the channel, outside of this, I'll have some other metalworking projects that I'll put on here probably. I built a lot of my own shop equipment. I used to be a lot more into woodworking. I do plan on doing that, and I've got some ideas for some unique industrial type furniture that I'd like to get into. I bought a tube bender recently, so maybe get into that. Do some tool reviews, probably a lot of tool review type stuff. Product reviews either on this or just general tools, that kind of thing. And probably some of my other hobbies. So anyway, welcome to my channel. Hopefully I can show somebody some examples of what to do on an FJ40 and other things. I know I've gotten a lot of education from watching other people do things on the internet, and so hopefully this channel helps, and hope you follow me along through the build of this truck and other projects. Thanks.